problem like managing all the data I have.
Sure.
So I want to like not send duplicate messages to the same people. I got to like storing them like all my files. I put them into list stacking. I just don't
Okay.
know how to like filter out the duplicates, or does it do it by itself?
It will do duplicates based on the property address. Like that's the unique required field. So we'll do that. We're actually going to be doing a call next week. Um, Assuming like we have a big update coming to list stacking this week. So next week call is actually going to be how to manage your data based on phone status, based on property address. So you make sure like no prospect is falling through the crack. But the duplicate right now works based on the property address. But if there's a phone number, then it will also, let's say if you upload a phone number in the system and that has a phone status of let's say fax or busy, and you add that phone number again, it's gonna append the phone status from the existing phone number also. But the duplicate feed is going to be based on the property address. So if you already have 123 Main Street in this system as the property address, it will not let you add another one. I mean, it'll just add it to a new list. So you can see that 123 Main Street is on, let's say, 5 different lists. So it might be on your probate list, absentee list, pre-foreclosure list. So that's like the whole idea behind list stacking is so you can see which property is showing up on your multiple lists that you have.
Okay. So does it give us the option to take out the duplicates, or just lets me know that it is?
Yeah, so duplicates you can take out for the mailing address essentially, because the property address, it will not even let you upload the duplicate one. So let's say if you go in right here into the filter and you say list count. So if you want to look at all the properties that you've uploaded that were on, let's say, more than 3 different lists, so I can do this. So it's going to show me that this specific property, for example, I've uploaded it 5 times in my system, and I can see this was part of my probate list, SC upload, tax list, RESBM, REsimpli leave. So it's not duplicate, but it's telling you that if I've done 5 uploads into the system, this property was part of all of these 5 lists when I uploaded it. So that's how you can see. So what you want to do at that point is you want to go after the list you want to go after properties that appears in multiple lists for you. So essentially what that means is that property owner, let's say Donna Kennedy in this case, it's on my absentee list, it's on my probate list, it's on my tax list, it's on my, let's say, SC upload list. So that tells me that this person has multiple motivation points because absentee owner, going through probate, also in tax list. So I might want to market to if I have limited funds, and I might want to market to this person before I market to anybody else. So we're going to do a whole training around this next week, and we'll send out some information on this, but this is how you can quickly filter. Now, let's say if I've done this, so I have 1,373 records. Now, these might be owned by, some of these properties, some of these property owners might have multiple properties. So you can click right here, remove duplicate mailing address. So it's only going to show you unique owners. So now it went down to 961 records. So that means I have 961 owners who own 1,373 properties. So you can remove duplicate mailing addresses also. So you might have, somebody 123, John Doe living at 123 Main Street owned 5 properties. So you don't want to send 5 different pieces of mail to that person for 5 different properties, but because it's all going to go to the same address. So you might just want to send 1 piece of direct mail. So you can apply a filter and just click right here, remove duplicate mailing addresses. It'll just show you the unique mailing addresses at that point.
Okay, got it. Thank you.